Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today I'm going to be discussing an interesting gaming project that I just came across, Himo World. Their website, by the way, hemo.world, that's really cool. I thought that was very unique that, I think it's cool when a company uses the dot instead of a com, uses the word for that. So just to go ahead and give them a little shout out on a clever thing they did there. Now, with this one, I'm actually going to go through the social media first, then get into the details of it. But just to give you an idea, this is a game, and it's one that I'm very interested in because it's along the style of game that I like to talk about. So we'll get into that here in a moment. So it is a match-3 deck building NFT. Features free-to-play, create-to-earn, and compete-to-earn, including rogue-like PvE and exciting PvP with tournaments. We can see some of the Slay the Slime, which has been officially launched, and I'll tell you what, I shamelessly love this kind of game. I think that it, this style of game is very popular for a reason. And I think they've kind of put a unique twist on it, actually, in the way that you would play it on there. So I'm very interested to see more about this in the future. But we're also going to be looking through it. They have loot boxes, by the way, which include 5 heroes with a unique special hero. Each crafted variant can be a game changer and will undoubtedly make your deck infinitely more powerful. Our NFT box still is more. Stay tuned. We see here on Facebook they've got about 19,000, just over 18,000 followers on here, which is really obviously very impressive. 15 employees on LinkedIn, so not a huge following on LinkedIn, but I do appreciate they have their employees on LinkedIn, completely doxed, completely names out there, faces, profiles, so that's really cool. I appreciate that. Here's a little trailer actually that I will show you as we continue. Big prize pool. 10 days only, February 28th through March 9th, and that is still going on, by the way, for quite a few days. Slay the Slime. So, for my money, that is a unique matching game. Now, I have not in my periphery seen anything exactly like that, and so for that I think it seems interesting. I'm one who's honestly into matching games. Got a really good following over here on Twitch, by the way, which is really cool to see. I love anyone who's live streaming on here and keeping things up. They have about 70k members on Discord, and much more active Discord than I think any of their social media platforms, for sure, which that's always really good. But it's between that and their Telegram, I'll say, which is really where you want people to be active for any crypto project, if I'm being honest. Their Medium, by the way, 8.4 thousand followers. Really solid following on Medium, and that's always very impressive because Medium is always the toughest place to get a good following. Telegram, so over 100,000 members on their official Telegram group, and then for their announcement group, let's see, I thought tells you a little bit about it, but we're gonna go into that in a moment. I thought that I had that. Oh, there we go. So 100k right there. Then we can see they have a Cointelegraph article, really cool article, just talking about, sort of the generalities of the project, and their pitch deck is very well made, by the way. I think that this is one of the more impressive pitch decks I've seen. That is just sort of a short sales pitch of their whole project, and we might jump over that in a moment. We're going to go through the website right now. So we can see connect the gems, beat the slime, so which we did just check out. The gameplay, play the game however you want with hundreds of deck combinations. You can set up a wide variety of character, each with its specialty. Discover a whole new world every time you set up your game plan. And they will start with 4 basic heroes. Each hero has 1 skill. And we can see the PvE versus PvP player game mode for all types of players. So you can roguelike mechanism or compete to earn. When you start a match, you will all you have to do is connect the gemstones of the same color. Summoning a hero of the corresponding color in the sky will be triggered automatically. And we're back there. Hemo token is their token. You can actually check it out here on the pancake swap right up here at the top right. So using the token to upgrade the deck, powered up, be the champion or nobody, tournament, staking competition for prize. Together we rise, trading with other users around the world. And the project tokenomics are pretty solid on this one actually. Play to earn rewards 20%, dex liquidity 2, public sale 2.5, private 9, partnership and seed 3.5, team and advisor is 20, which, to be fair, that's a little higher, a little on the higher end for the team, but I think that's acceptable. I think that the team generally should get a decently high percentage because they do have to make money somehow. Staking reward is 10, marketing and community 21.5, which that's something that I'm really happy about. If they're paying the team 20, at least they're putting more into the marketing than into the team. That's something that's essential for any project to do well. Advisor and team 10 months full locked and linearly release over 14 months, 10% at TGE, lock for 6 months, then release in linear over 6 months, 10% at TGE, lock for 3 months, investing for 9, 30% at TGE, investing for 7 months. Meet the team, which you can of course see on LinkedIn, as I said, or just check out who the team actually is. And basically, they're actually in their pitch deck. That's something I'll show you. In their pitch deck, they have a really good description of every member of the team, tell you about what they've done, or really the core members tell you about what they've done, or what their experience is, and they've got quite a lot of experience in the blockchain and gaming industry combined. The pitch deck, by the way, gives you a much greater concept of the marketing plan. We see the project partners as well, the advisor to the partners. Plans, the vision, so we've got the different quarters, and a nice cool piece of art there for the end of that, which we'll see some of that in a moment, but I just kind of wanted to finish out on the pitch deck and show you. So we got our different partners right here. A lot of very interesting seeming partners. A couple of these are names that I'm actually familiar with. None of them are names I would say are familiar with every viewer. But I think a lot of you will know a good couple of these names from just the crypto gaming industry in general. Their press release right here, so you can of course click through, and it gears up for IDO featured on Cointelegraph, which that we did just see right there. It's got a cool little CoinMarketCap piece right there. Roadmap, so fundraising, demo gameplay, let's see, private sale. So let's see, we're in Q1 of 2022. So, pre-launching minigame INOs and PvE versus PvE, PvP, and deck building, which is very important. And then just, giving you the little sign off right there. You can, of course, contact the team at the top as well if you'd like. Let's see here. And then that is mostly what I wanted to touch on today. I'm gonna kind of show you a couple things here. So I did the roadmap, tokenomics team, summoning heroes, so just showing you the different heroes. You summon them corresponding with gems. Excuse me. So there are different skills they'll have, different items you can collect as well to make it a little easier to play. You can see the different mechanics here, so actually how it's going to look a little bit like chess actually, which is very cool. And then there's a couple of other videos if you'd like to check it out. By the way, their YouTube has some very well made videos showing you the beta, I guess at least the beta version of it, but showing you how it plays. They've got a lot of PvP and again a lot of events going on. See the tournament and esports as well. So they are really pushing for that sort of aspect with the game as well, which I think is really cool. I think it's exactly what you need from any gaming project. talking about the Hemo, which is the coin, Hemo's features, so how it'll help you with the game, what they plan to actually do with the token itself, and the staking system, which I believe they will be working on soon. Anyway, very interesting project right here with Himo World. I thought this was just interesting that I'd like to talk about it and kind of, as always, just objectively discuss this one. You know, it's not financial advice, not me saying to buy in any manner, but I do think this is a really cool project. If this is the kind of thing that interests you, I would definitely recommend coming to check it out. The team seems legit from what I can tell. I did the best research I could on all of it, and I think that this one is definitely a winner. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited to kind of check it out, possibly do some live stream gameplay of it on Twitch, but we'll see. As always, my friends, thank you for coming by. My name is Freddie Colt, and I'll see you in the next episode.